Nimbus Pipes Limited is based at Jaipur, Rajasthan, India.
Nimbus has a profound legacy in PE pipes and irrigation equipment businesses. Our founders set up this business way back in 1968 with a vision to provide sustainable solutions to most scarce resource on this planet, the water.
Nimbus brand was established in the year 2001, and over last 2 decades, Nimbus has built a strong reputation as one of the leading manufacturer and supplier of PE pipes and micro-irrigation systems pan-India with brand Nimbus. Being based at heart of Thar Desert, we know better the value of water and the kind of challenges being faced by mankind, and accordingly providing need-based solutions.
Our piping and irrigation equipment offers excellent performance, reliability, quality, and are being manufactured using high-quality raw material with latest technology and machineries.
Our products and solutions are available through more than 1,000 channel associates across the country. We have the best of industry talent in our team for various functions to leverage the benefits and to serve customers efficiently. The technically sound and experienced professionals are engaged in providing complete solutions for micro-irrigations and piping systems on turnkey basis, which include survey, designing, installation and commissioning and after-sales service support to our valued customers. We chose tagline, "For a greener world, we truly are a one-stop destination for various types of micro-irrigation solutions in agriculture, drinking water supplies, drainage, sewage and other industrial uses which helps to conserve water." Our vision is to be in a leadership position in the field of irrigation and PE piping industry through the restless process of transforming innovative ideas into amazing realities. We are to be total solution provider in water sector to the level of customer satisfaction by providing them with the best, latest, and cost-effective products. Nimbus aims to become one of the lead brands in offering sustainable piping solutions for agriculture, industrial and drinking water supplies sector. We are manufacturing and supplying best-in-class PE pipes and modern micro-irrigation products and serving to customers to their satisfaction through a strong distribution network. We are constantly enhancing in manufacturing and operational efficiencies through latest machineries, systems, and result-oriented competent manpower resources, thereby creating sustained value for all stakeholders while maintaining a high integrity in the ecosystem. We do cultivate harmonious and sustainable affairs and believe in a worthwhile ecosystem for all stakeholders and are working industriously to improve on to achieve excellence in our business strategies. We also consider serving a customer to its gratification for the kind of products and services availed. We have 3 state-of-art manufacturing units to serve our pan-India clients, and these are at Rico Manda, Rico Bagru, Rajasthan, and Chennai, Tamil Nadu. These plants covering 14,500 square meter shop floor area with a raw material processing capacity of 33,600 metric tons per annum. We had produced more than 300,000 of kilometers of pipeline so far and supplied and successfully installed more than 310,000 of hectares land, covering 130,000 customers since inception. We have latest machineries to produce different pipes. 17 extrusion lines for PE pipes, 3 extrusion for PVC pipes, and 10 injection molding to produce accessories for sprinkler systems. We manufacture PE pipes and fittings up to 630 mm of diameter for various applications like for conveyance of water, gas, sewerage, transport of slurry, cable ducting, chemicals, underwater applications, etc. We are manufacturing all micro-irrigation solutions in our state-of-art manufacturing plants. Drip irrigation where water is delivered nearer to plant roots. Online drip irrigation for widely spaced crops or horticultural crops. Inline drip system for densely spaced row crops and protected cultivation. Another category is sprinklers where water is to sprinkle in the air beneath the plants to maintain required soil moisture around the targeted area. It is further categorized into micro sprinkler system where nozzle gives water less than 300 lph and are used for nurseries, under tree irrigation, leafy vegetables, etc. Mini sprinkler system are designed to have semi-permanent installation and easy to operate. It is used for all field crops and vegetables, and its application rate ranges 300 to 700 lph. Sprinkler irrigation systems are used to irrigate various field crops, where application rate ranges from 1000 to 2000 lph. To assure quality products and to be with these quality parameters, pre-inspection of raw materials are carried out before manufacturing process in accordance with IS and ISO standards. We have world-class equipment to test different parameters in our laboratory. There are 3 sections of laboratory: thermal lab, conditioning lab, and hydraulic lab, where various quality tests are conducted for finished products as per standards. Products which passed QC tests are stored in stockyard and is ready for onward delivery. Our logistics team is fully equipped to handle even large dispatches in a day. We conduct growers' awareness program about micro-irrigation concepts which assist them to choose right solution. We do GPS survey and study the farm resources like availability of water, power, land, and type of crop planting, etc. for micro-irrigation system who choose us. Based on input received and GPS survey of farmland, we do design for an irrigation system in accordance with hydraulics. Installation and commissioning of the irrigation products delivered is being carried out as per design to have desired performance. We are Nimbus. For more information, visit our website or follow us on our social media handles.